In this video, you'll learn how to fix below standard status on eBay. The process involves assessing your performance metrics, improving your order handling, and maintaining consistent performance to enhance your seller rating. Begin by accessing your seller dashboard, which is typically found in the account menu. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the section that displays your performance level details. This area will present various metrics, such as your late shipment rate and defect rate. Carefully review these metrics to identify which one has contributed to your below standard status. Pay attention to any recent transactions that may have issues, as these will help you understand specific areas needing improvement. After this assessment, prepare a list of corrective actions you can take. Next, focus on improving your order handling practices. Ensure that you are shipping orders within the stated handling time, as delays can negatively impact your metrics. After dispatching an order, promptly upload tracking information. This step not only keeps buyers informed, but also helps you maintain a positive shipping record. Additionally, make it a priority to respond quickly to any buyer messages, address disputes before they escalate, and cancel any out-of-stock orders without delay. Following the platform's performance guidelines is essential for maintaining a good standing. After enhancing your order handling, it is crucial to maintain consistent performance, continue to meet shipping deadlines to avoid falling back into below standard status. Regularly monitor your performance metrics to stay informed about your standing. Avoid risky listings or inaccurate product descriptions, as these can lead to buyer dissatisfaction. Keeping your inventory accurate is also important to prevent overselling items. Providing excellent customer service will further enhance your seller reputation and encourage positive feedback. As you implement these improvements, remember that some aspects of your performance may take time to reflect in the evaluation cycle updates. Be patient and allow the system to process your recent actions. Consistent efforts will ultimately contribute to a positive change in your seller status. Regularly check back on your performance metrics to see how your improvements are affecting your... That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.